Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore a page from a previous version in WordPress so you can quickly undo any unwanted changes. Let's begin. First, open the official WordPress website, click Login and sign in using your Google account. From your dashboard, click on Edit Site so you can access the page editor. From there, open the right-hand panel and locate the revisions link over here. Okay, so I'm going to click on templates and we have revisions over here. We have four. Click on that. This will show all automatically saved versions of your page. You can use this a timeline scroller to browse through the saved revisions and find the version you want to uncover. So it will mark the days in here when this was updated or revised. Then you can simply click on restore this revision. All right. And it will automatically apply to your current page editor. And that's it. You have successfully restored a page in WordPress, allowing you to undo mistakes and maintain your site exactly how you want it. I hope you found this video very helpful.